यता हेर्दै ल हामीसँग क्विन्जी जोडिसकेका त्यहाँ पढ्यो हाम्रो डक्टर के हाम्रो रिङ दाई क्रेजी दाई
खाना रेडी
यतापट्टि म छु है ल EMF आउँदैछ वेटिङ फर हिम सिडिक है ल फाइनली होइन Oh my god. What's up? What's up? What's up?
Bro, I really love the scenery so much, bro. So much. Yeah. That's crazy.
Quincy.
She's the one who will be back to see.
CZ.
Oh my god, all the best, bro. This is crazy. Thank you, brother. This is lovely, man. That's right.
Damn shit. Damn है हामीले चाहिँ अहिले EMF लाई लियौँ अब हामी जाँदैछौँ व्हाइट रुम होइन व्हाइट रुम्स वे आर गोइङ अब यस्तै हो दामी हुँदैछ यताबाट हिँड्नु मिल्दैन होला यताबाट जानु मिल्छ फोटो एउटा फोटो लिने हो दाइ एन्टी लाइट हुन्छ यताबाट
Anti-light person?
यतापट्टि गरौँ न
Oh, I think yeah. We're having a nice game, you know. Which one's the EMF? Spot the EMF.
ल एउटा लिने हो
What's the crown?
बाइक ऊ पर होइन उसको बाइक छ भाइ छ क्या हामीसँगै आउँदा हुन्छ
सो अहिले चाहिँ हामी बौद्ध जाँदैछौँ EMF लिएर
बेलुका त सिजीको चाहिँ
अब भोलि बेलुका सिजीलाई त्यसपछि भोलि कोट त्यसपछि हाम्रो यिनीहरू आर्टिस्ट कम्प्लिट है सो गाइस सबजना त्यो माया चाहिँ देखाउनु पऱ्यो भिडियो आएपछि हेरिरहेको छ भिडियो आएपछि अन्त अहिले हेरिरहेको छ भने अहिले तर माया चाहिँ देखाउनु पऱ्यो धेरै है सो हामी एकैचोटि बौद्धमा भेट्छौँ ल सो अहिले चाहिँ हामी बौद्ध पुग्न आँटेको छ होइन सो केटाहरू पछि पछि छ हामी अगाडि जस्य अहिले चाहिँ हामी बौद्ध हुन्छौँ क्या सो जस्ट हिँडिरह like a tourist spot or like people buy from the or is it extra expensive?
It is quite expensive. Well, we just go to the police and the site will be back.
Is it like a tourist type? Yeah, even there. The statue is crazy. केटाहरू यहाँ के गरेछ फर्स्ट टाइम यहाँको चाहिँ फर्स्ट टाइम रे
हामीले जस्तो घुमाइदिरहेको उसलाई लिटरली
होइन
लिटरली
कम ब्रो I can feel it, feel the energy. Feel the energy. Taste about to die, man. Yeah, man. You feel the energy. That's good. Yes, sir, bro. My chest is lighter a little bit.
Yeah, 2 days were actually crazy. So I thought it was crazy.
क्या दामी सर्ट आएको क्या दाजु यता What birds are these?
I think normal pigeons and sparrows.
Yeah, sparrows.
Mostly that's what we see. And a bunch of, I don't know what.
Any new bird that I can watch out for or what? That's common here.
नेपालीमा के भन्छ त्यो
कुन चाहिँलाई
त्यो उयो भएको उनीहरू त्यो फास्ट फास्ट हुने कोइली हो
होइन होइन
मुना
होइन यसलाई के भन्छ कि गौथली
गौथली
Gauthali.
या
Oh, that was a pigeon.
सम पिजन सम ग्याउ
Oh, then it was that one. Oh shit, man.
भँगेरा नि भन्दैन म भँगेरा त
अर्कै हो
यस्तो गाउँछ
ब्रो डु यु लाइक इट
Bro, I love this. It was so majestic.
या दिस इज अल्सो इन द ओल्ड हेरिटेज साइट मेबी बौद्ध
युनेस्को
And the whole area was.
द्याट्स ए भेरी गुड मेबी
Wow.
sometime if we want to peace then we come here
Yeah, bro. Yeah. Bro, in general, this area is so peaceful, man.
Yeah.
Especially this spot, and it's cut off from traffic also now.
Yeah.
But actually, bro, surprising how there's actually less traffic, man. I now myself noticed it. Shit.
because
It's surrounded by like
Yeah, it's completely cut off, bro. What the? And it's joined. No, there's no gaps. Yeah, fuck. Crazy. That's what I was wondering, bro. Actually, different. I didn't notice it now.
कहाँ पुगेर दाजु
उस guy ने कब? Some Malay name.
one as well.
Oh my god, bro, the roof is.
Yeah.
Oh, there's the entrance.
hey man
A bit of marshmallow.
I totally trust him.
Fights going on in Bombay because of this.
Pigeon?
Yeah, bro, you don't know. Jain community, they feed pigeons.
Yeah.
Jain community is like the richer people.
Yeah.
They are little community.
I have a fair bit of Jain friends.
Yeah. And like Marathi people who stay around the other area, Uttar Khana. And it's really good. And like working with what you say, rainy season, there's tons of accidents because the pigeons just shit and it touches with the rain and so these guys are like, "Arey, it's good thing. These are vegetarians. They are like, "Arey, we are doing it for animals." And these guys like just stop. People are getting sick. All the doctors are saying like, "You're sick because of pigeons." And these guys are like, "Stop feeding them." The government banned it. So these guys started protesting. No, क्या आप लोग सब
190
Walk from here.
Jain and Marathi community are fighting, bro. Crazy. Veg people, no.
I have heard about the whole like.
Anybody veg or what? Yeah. No.
it's crying
Yeah. I think vegetarian people have a different idea. Like they're saving the planet or some shit. They can't even let you off their job. Hey, it's easy vegetarian or I don't know. I don't think it's veg. I don't know, bro. But I've never noticed that. I think it's twice. But yeah, I was thinking she was too young for that. So I don't know. Maybe she's not young.
if she is drinking she is not
No,
veg
yeah, she doesn't.
रक्सी त खान्छ भने मासु नखाने कहाँ हुन्छ र त
She doesn't drink it.
ड्रिङ्किङ गर्दैन के भयो त अलिकति
You drink, right? Yeah, but I drink, but I prefer. No, I just went to Arunachal, तभी I drank up for 1.5 years. Like drinking में इतना ज़्यादा रहता है. I used to drink a lot. Was the whole hard time. 1 year I was full sober, all diet, everything. And then I started drinking for a year. like crazy at times, and I started doing edibles for a year.
Damn.
And then I started, like, I got this vape, then I did that vape for a year. Then dry herb vapor, I put weed and get vapor. Okay. And then I started smoking after that.
I was doing vape too.
I still have a vape for Wow.
केटाहरू त्यहाँ छ
कता त्यो कता माथि बस्नु
तल भित्र कतै सेट
जहाँ अब माथि बस्छ कता हराएको कता हराएको Meow. Meow. I'm a fair man.
एक मात्र जाउँ न अनि खान्छौँ
उताबाट हो भने त फेरि एक राउन्ड
I think one, no? Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's actually a long round. Yeah. Kora. And what's the significance? How much?
We just did 1 round. Since it needs 10 rounds of this.
Maybe or not. जे पनि हुन सक्छ मलाई सिजिन खतरा लाग्छ
13.
Yeah, that's good.
It makes sense. Battle between cheese and whoever did.
2 G's?
This might be male or
I love this
Hey man, China.
What's the only odd?
If you do 1,
That's it.
I think one this is I think it got deleted or something. Corrupt program. But that shit happens, bro. So many times, like the file just.
The third round was the best round.
Yeah, bro. I know, bro. I had this whole death note and shit. I wrote his name. Uska asli naam tha wo. So I asked for like I don't know anything. Just English government name. He told me Tapu Nadu. That's the only non information I had. Baki I had to watch battles. Oh, yeah, crazy it was. Arunachal is this shit. Yeah, bro, cold one, bro. I was उसके बाद वो अक्कल है बोला preparation की और school
that was the first battle.
नहीं after a long time, no, this anxiety is different, man. This stage fear started growing since I've gotten older. And like this gap is also there between the audience. It feels like you've gone a little farther, but yeah, I don't know. Let's see how it is. But I think if you're prepared, I think it's just preparation anxiety. And while coming also, I was, bro, I don't know, until the battle happens, I can't chill. There's
उता अगाडिबाट चढ्ने हो दाजु
Third card
Yeah. Oh shit, yeah, bro, you told me about monkeys.
Yeah.
The monkeys here in the city.
And its round is bigger than it's like you can see entire country.
Let's go, bro. My exercise is the day.
Only cost is 5,000 Only cost is 5,000 यहाँ चाहिँ बुद्धम शरणम गच्छामि हो यहाँ चाहिँ भित्र जाँदा चाहिँ हो नि
भेटेर के हाल्नु त
treks around Bombay also.
Here the treks are like proper treks,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
there's still like non-technical stuff where you don't have to calculate how much you've
Yeah.
slept and stuff like
Okay. What? Yeah, I think so. But I usually just go to temples that are on a mountain. Like that much I've done.
that. Because here there's like a real
It's actually nicer, bro. It's calming me.
earth you.
Bro, what masks, bro? I'm fucking mad about the masks that I'm seeing. If I ever get rich, I'll buy too much, bro. Like, if I have too much money, don't bring me here, bro.
Yeah, there's such a funny law here.
Yeah, what?
You can film anything, but not TikToks.
What?
That's an actual official law. Come here.
actually. There was a sign.
Yeah, there was a sign. There's a sign here.
No
TikTok.
No TikTok. So if you lie, what happens?
Bro, look at that.
Yeah, TikTok. Nice.
That's an official, but there's a Nepalese.
Nice, bro.
Back, man. Go shit on me.
Time's up, bro.
Come up here and like
Take-
dancing and stuff.
Oh, acha, oh, those type of
Yeah, that
reels.
type of
Yeah. Oh,
videos
yeah. Okay. Got it. Like you can vlog and shit, but not.
Yeah, but don't do that obnoxious.
Okay. Yeah, but that's fair, bro. I understand.
Bizarre shit.
Yeah, of course, bro. There's people meditating and shit back there, bro.
And then someone is Badal Barsa.
Oh shit, bro. Kitna time? Oh shit. Why did I forget some shit I would have written? But let's say.
Dushman ere
Kya?
Dushman ere.
Dishman ere? I don't understand.
I don't think he's heard that. That's
What?
another viral song
No.
after Badal Barsa.
No, bro. That shit reached us like crazy. Like, and not, yeah. Crazy. Wow, यार. पैसा भी नहीं पता, bro. I don't know.
We got featured in one of the Hindi series.
Yeah?
The Bhuvan Bam series. Bhuvan
Bro,
Bam.
I don't watch. Bro, I'm just sad I don't get enough time to watch anime, bro. I don't watch nothing
When
else.
was the last time you watched?
Bro, yesterday night, bro, I'm rewatching Naruto for third time now with another friend. Like, I always like bring a new friend. Arey, dekh tu, dekh.
So your favorite is?
Yeah, I'm watching One Piece with my sister now, and Bleach to I've seen long time.
The newer one.
No, I've read it. I've read Bleach. I've read Naruto also. Only One Piece manga I haven't read. But I keep watching, bro. That shit, I don't know, makes you feel things so much, no?
Yeah.
It makes it easier to write. Like, I watch an episode and then like the verse is gonna hit. Like, it is not even related and shit, but it just triggers you so much. The direction, storytelling, and only few movies and shit have that. Like, baki to, if you watch a Bollywood movie and shit, the pacing is so quick. They don't take time, bro. The emotions don't set in.
Treks, you'd have to sleep at like every 500 meters in elevation.
Yeah?
So if you miss that and if you go like a kilometer in elevation, you're going to have serious problems.
Fuck.
Especially people that live in the lowlands. They
Yeah.
have very big problems.
Yeah, I'm the lowest land, I think, bro.
You're right next to the sea.
Yeah.
Mine was there. I think yours was that way.
Oh, yeah. Oh, shit, bro. I forgot the way only.
It's all time lapse there. Get out.
Sorry. Oh, I've seen this in a vlog or something, I think. ऐसा कोई तो अंदर जाता है and like they charge a fuck ton, then he comes out on the streets and it's like nothing. I think in Tamil, or I don't know, I think it was just a Kathmandu vlog. Yeah,
The place
bro.
we are going to have battling.
Yeah, bro, it's far away, what?
Yeah, it is
Like a couple hours and shit.
But it's like
30 minutes by bike.
Oh, bro, yeah, nothing, yeah. I thought like a couple hours and shit.
No. Optimistically, you could do the whole of Kathmandu in a couple of hours.
Yeah?
If there is no jam.
if there's no jam.
Yeah, okay. Wow, bro.
Because it's a very limited city. It's a valley,
Yeah.
so there's no
I love the spacing, bro. Bro, I don't know, a lot of people feel claustrophobic and shit. But I think like smaller spaces give me peace, yeah. Watching y'all. Yeah, bro. I don't travel at all, bro. I'm cooped up in my house. I only travel for rap. Yeah. yeah, bro. I think, but that's true, bro. This rap shit is like some, I don't know, Pokemon Samurai, I don't know, some shit like, bro. It's like similar, bro. It's like I relate to all the animation, bro. Fuck. Stupid crazy. Mueme tofu. What's tofu? Yeah. Nice. Fuck. Pigeons बिक रहे हैं.
They are beautiful, but they are like my biggest problem in my house.
Yeah, bro. I'm against pigeons, bro.
Got it,
Yeah.
got it, hide it, and I have to Google it like how to scare pigeons. Like.
Nice, bro. I'm against that shit, bro. Jain people can go to hell. Bro, they empathize with pigeons so much, but they look at a fucking guy, stab him like, shit, he's not working.
Bro,
Like, what the fuck?
I think heaven or hell is like
Yeah.
if you do good,
Huh.
heaven. If you do bad,
But bro, the thing
one
is,
time hell.
now there are two options, right? I can do good of a kabutar, or I can help some people who are being sick because of kabutar. Am I really wrong for helping either one of them? But when human life comes into play, you're really gonna protest to save a kabutar and say, okay, human lives don't matter so much as compared to a kabutar's life. In a fucking place which is actually poor because of most of them. Because most of them we're gonna occupy. Yeah. Crazy, I'm gonna take the best spot, bro. Wow. Crazy, bro. The aesthetic in Nepal is, I'm stunned.
So, what do you want to try?
Anything, bro, whatever you tell me, bro. You order for me, please. Yeah, momo to we'll get one, bro. I need to try.
Like,
Big
you
momo.
try both or not?
Yeah, bro, I don't mind. Wow. Okay, yeah. What an artist from India?
Very talented.
Yeah, very talented, definitely. Let's see, bro, if I can make people laugh here, yeah.
No smoking.
This is laughing?
Yeah,
Wow.
Tibetan.
I had it in Delhi, but then, yeah, this should be real.
Oh, they have it in Delhi?
ध्यानमा पुरा खानुभन्दा अगाडि Freeing. Dofi. You can taste it.
I'm,
Live stream freestyle.
So like I'll invite people, like anybody can come, but yeah. So when nobody's
And someone else will be taking over.
yeah, so whatever. So my thing is the cipher should be on for the longest time. So whenever there's nobody, I can at least fill in the gaps. So that's what I want to practice for. At least the filler guy I should be. Like whenever there's nobody, I can just take over until somebody arrives and shit. But yeah, that shit got a hit, man. What's your Guinness? What's your Guinness? What was your idea for Guinness?
The highest battle in the world.
Highest battle in the nice. Yeah. But bro, you know what? That's like even when I went to Arunachal Pradesh, that's what I realized. Like people do these small time gigs, like not small time, but like NH7 and shit. Those music gigs, like there's so much scope for just a whole travel thing. You know, just somebody doing that in the mountains once that shit sorted. Just need those type of artists, a couple, and like the right people to market it to reach there. But yeah, so much, bro. Arunachal also, it's like a tour, no? Small tour. It's, yeah. And people come to this NH7 here in Shillong and shit, anyways.
Yeah.
Like, it's not like shit, like either zero वगैरह भी इतना ही चलता है.
Shillong पनि उता देहरादून साइड पर्छ हैन. You are from Dehradun?
No, he's from Mumbai.
I'm properly from Mumbai, bro. I don't even have a native village and shit.
Both your parents are from Mumbai.
Yeah, bro. Like Agri Koli community, like the fishermen and salt pan guys.
Marathi.
I'm Marathi, yeah. But basically, it's like Marathi is just a language, you know. It's not really like people speak Marathi. There's like Maratha is still different. It's a caste. So there's Kshatriya, like there's Kshatriyas. So that's a different thing. So Marathi, though, it's a common language. Like Agri Koli, everybody just speaks in Marathi. There's also a mix of 5-6 languages. Like South ka words are there, Hindi words are there, and it's like it's old, but it's like that. I think the oldest language in the world is Tamil, I think. No?
Yeah, Dravidian. Some Dravidian.
Yeah, Tamil is the oldest language.
That was, I think, continuously spoken.
Yeah, that also, and it's like I think it's 1,000-year-old or something.
Yeah, but the Israelis, they revived Hebrew, right? But nobody was speaking Hebrew for a long time. But then they again revived it. So
Yeah,
that doesn't count.
but that doesn't count. Yeah, no.
It was continuously spoken.
Well,
हीरो मतलब ऐसे नॉट हीरो बट देयर इज स्पेशल मुझे तो काठमाडौँ का अमिताभ बच्चन बोलते हैं
ल यो चाहिँ उ है प्रेस कन्फरेन्स जसले जे क्वेशन सोधे
Okay, everyone can. Everyone can.
Entertainment, dope shit only.
Keep it normal. Keep it normal. Dope shit only.
आगे दामीवन पनि भन्यो ओके भयो के यो छुट्टा छुट्टा हुन्छ कि इन्टरभ्यू ओके hello everyone, this is Everyday Entertainment, dog shit only, keep it abnormal. Okay, we have Quincy in the house. So October 18 Kurukshetra, Nepal versus